Sunday, June 17th. And I'm going to make Hieu his birthday card. His birthday was June 13th, but I was going to surprise him and everything, but that all changed because he had to sleep in the field and all this stuff. So instead I booked an Airbnb, so we would just celebrate it late. So I'm going to make him his birthday card, and I'm making a pop-up card. So if you guys want any ideas or anything to make your loved ones, or anything, mom, dad, whatever, keep on watching because this is a pretty cool idea. And yeah, I'm just recording, y'all can come with me. Okay, so yesterday I didn't film this, but I made him this other DIY I made. It's this. So basically it says I love and all of the reasons why I love him, or most of the reasons why. So I wrote them all down. And the board costs about $2 at Walmart, and you can get this printed off for like $1.50. So right there is only $3.50. So it's less than $5 to make this gift. I used Sharpie to write all the reasons why with a red marker. And surprisingly, it went on fine on the wood. So, yeah. So I would just advise, or get a tip, do the cursive in pencil first, and the heart, just to see what it'll look like before you use Sharpie on it. I freehanded it with a pencil first, and then I went over with a Sharpie, and just erased the pencil lines. The reason why I didn't record it is just because it was literally me just writing on the wood board. But here's the final product. It's really easy, really cute, and most of all, it's really easy. It only took me like 20 minutes, or 30, and it's very personal. So like, if you want to give it to your best friend, your boyfriend, your mom, your dad, anyone, literally, this is a good gift to make. And like I said in other videos, but I am a very DIY person, because I'm very cheap. Like, I'm really cheap, but like, I did buy him some more stuff too, but I'm more of a like a, I'll make you something type of person. Especially with like pictures and stuff, it's so cute. But like, yeah, okay, I'm talking way too much, but keep on watching and I'll show you guys how to make the card.
So you're going to need a whiteboard, and then you're going to fold it into the way of how you want to do your card. So basically, when you open it up, it's going to look like that at first. Of course, we're going to hang a banner. Y'all see me do that in a bit.